Welcome to allGeo. Let's see how to install and register for allGeo mobile app for iOS. First, go to App Store and search for allGeo. Click on the allGeo app. Click on Download button to install the allGeo mobile app. Once the app is installed, click on Open and launch the allGeo app. Please allow the necessary access to allGeo app to send in-app notifications. Let's see how to register into allGeo mobile app using phone number. Click on phone number/device ID. Enter your number which is added in allGeo system by your company. Once you've entered the number, press register. Once you've successfully registered to the allGeo app, you'll see a pop-up message confirming your number, name, and the company name you are registered with. You can now start using the app. Thanks for watching the video.